$600,000 for a spilled cup of coffee? Find out why. Hello, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, Attorney Tom here, and in today's episode, I'm going to be breaking down the infamous hot coffee case against McDonald's. In 1992, a 79-year-old woman by the name of Stella Lindback was in the passenger seat of her grandson's car as they went through McDonald's to get some coffee. The grandson then subsequently parked the car, and while the car was parked, Miss Stella dropped or spilled the coffee on herself. Flash forward sometime later, she ended up getting a $2.9 million jury verdict, which later got reduced to around $600,000. But how is it possible that somebody who self-admitted that it was their fault they spilled the coffee able to get so much money out of this case? Well, here's why. 1. The coffee was served at a temperature between 180 and 190 degrees Fahrenheit, almost boiling. 2. McDonald's knew that they served the coffee that hot. In fact, it was even their procedures, and at the trial, they had a corporate representative testify that they were aware of the dangers of scalding hot coffee to the throat and skin for over 10 years and did nothing to fix it. On top of that, in the past 10 years, they had over 700 complaints of people spilling coffee on them. And this ranged from men, women, to even infants who suffered third-degree burns as a result of the incredibly hot coffee they served. 3. It is widely speculated that the reason why McDonald's purposely served coffee that hot is to avoid people from getting refills, because by the time the coffee became drinkable, the people would not be at McDonald's. Ultimately, as a result of McDonald's practices, Miss Stella suffered third-degree burns on her inner thigh and genitals, even requiring a skin graft, and the doctor testified at trial that it was some of the worst damage he had ever seen. Miss Stella did not even want to go to trial. In fact, all she wanted from McDonald's was them to pay her medical expenses, which were around $20,000. But the most McDonald's ever offered was $800. So when this was brought to trial and the jury heard of all the practices that McDonald's had put in place to put profits over people, they awarded Miss Stella $2.9 million, which was ultimately settled for $600,000. And after this lawsuit was over, Miss Stella was made some figurehead for frivolous lawsuits. And say what you want about her or personal injury lawsuits, is they changed things. McDonald's no longer serves coffee at scalding hot temperatures to save money. Okay, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, I hope you learned something in today's case. Please make sure you leave your verdict in the comments below. Thanks. That's it for today's video. As always, please leave your verdict below in the comments, as well as any other suggestion you might have for future episodes. And don't forget to subscribe with the notifications on so you don't miss out on any future episodes. Your verdicts mean a lot to me. One last time, my name is Attorney Tommy John Kherkher, Managing Partner of the Kherkher Law Firm, and I rest my case. Thanks.